Okay, for this one we're going to start with the restriction. That is that x cannot equal negative 8. So then we're going to solve for x. X minus 7 over x plus 8. We're going to say that that equals 0 over 1. So to solve this, we're going to cross multiply. We're going to do x minus 7 times 1, which is x minus 7, equals, and then we're going to do 0 times x plus 8. Well, that's just 0. So you should get a solution. You should get x equals 7 by adding 7 to both sides. So on the number line, sorry, that was a rough line, we're going to have the restriction negative 8 and the answer 7. We're going to pick test points. I'm going to pick a point less than negative 8, which would be negative 10. So negative 10 minus 7 over negative 10 plus 8. That would be negative 17 over negative 2. We need to see if that's less than or equal to 0. A negative divided by a negative is going to be a positive, so that's not true. Now let's try something between negative 8 and positive 7. I'm going to choose 0. Oops, not me to do that. So that's 0 minus 7 over 0 plus 8. We need to see if that's less than or equal to 0. That would be negative 7 over 8. And that is less than or equal to 0, so that part should be true. Over here, I need to pick a number bigger than 7. I'm going to pick 10. Try not to cross anything out that time. Alright. 10 minus 7 over 10 plus 8, less than or equal to 0. 10 minus 7 is 3 over 18. That is positive, which is not less than 0, so that's not true. That is false. So our answer is between negative 8 and 7. 7 gets a bracket because it's part of the inequality. 8 gets a parenthesis, or sorry, negative 8 gets a parenthesis because it is a restriction. So there was a solution on that one. Just again, carefully cross multiply, solve for x. Hopefully that helped.